Good morning, Mommy! So, andito kami sa Home Depot. Buti na lang, maaga kami. Nakita ng papa namin yung dati namin ginagawa rin kay Giovanni, Isabel, and Mark. When they were little, look. Kukuha kami yung ganyan, oh. Yan, may nakuha kami. Yung kids, magpipaint-paint sila kung ano may yung gagawin. May mga ganyan. Kinuha niya lang si Nayeli at si Angeline, and he forgot about kinuha niya si Nayeli and Adrian. He forgot about Angeline, so I sent him back to go get for Angeline. Yay!
Alright, come on, baby.
We're supposed to go get one for Cece too, but I don't think Cece would like to do that still. You think so? Until what time they will be there?
11, 12.
What are you seeing right now? What is that? Is that a lot of flowers? Huh? What is that? What is that? Flowers? You like them? Yeah, gusto niya, oh. Tell Papa, buy me some flowers, Papa. You want that? What is that? Mommy, what is that? Flowers?
Kanya-kanya po ng luto ngayon, guys. What are you cooking, Giovanni? Ano?
So, sabes que, Giovanni, close the door. Your dad is gonna be mad that, you know, the AC is on. Brenda, turn it on. So, you better close it. Mm-hmm. What are you cooking, ate?
Kaya masubi.
Spam what?
Masubi.
Oh, you're gonna make that? Lower down the rice.
Very good.
Cause, did you call Isa yet?
Oh, I texted her. She said she's coming today. I just didn't ask when. Just gonna expect her when she comes.
Okay. Good morning, guys. So, ngayon, the next day, nagpe-prepare kami because birthday ng aming ate. So, maaga pa lang, nag-start na ako. Magawa ko yung seafood boil version ko. So, nag-ano ko ng maraming garlic. Pinapakuloan ko na rin yung pangnilaga namin. Nilagang buto-buto. Yan lang naman kasi gagawin ko. Pasta. Tapos mag-order na lang kami ng pizza. And then, para sa aming mga nanay, nilagang buto-buto. Ano lang yun. May barbecue din pala. Simple lang. Meron siyang ilang classmate na darating para sa kanyang birthday. Tapos kami lang. Simple lang to. So, nagpe-prepare ako ng maraming garlic para sa aking seafood boil or butter garlic shrimp with Cajun. Cajun. Para na rin to sa ating ang gagawin kasing pasta, guys, is chicken alfredo. Dagdag na rin natin. Ganyan lang. Maya-maya ulit, guys. Ay, kumukulo na yung para sa nilaga ko. Kita niyo ba? Sa kaserola. Kumukulo na. Yeah, walang candle!
You got burn eyebrow. I'll just tweak her lighter.
That's from Dollar Tree.
Okay, cut the cake!
Damn.
Ay, ice cream ba rin siya? Karalo, por favor. Ice cream. Give me that one for Anibal, and then wait for my caramel sundae. Oh, I think it's ready right now. I'll just wait for it. So, ayan na po ang front yard, guys. Ayan na. Tapos may mga tinanim din kami dyan mga halaman. Iba't ibang kulay. Ito yung pinili sa akin ni Giovanni na sundae. Ayan na po. May rabbit dyan si Oscar. Whole family na yan. Listen, babies. Babies. Yeah. Ayan po, guys.
So yun po ang update sa harap ng bahay. May mga lemon ako dyan. Tapos, this is mandarin. Tapos ito, pineapple guava. Bayaba siya. Pero pineapple guava kung tawagin. Ayan o. Kita nyo ba? May bunga na siya. Isa lang. Tapos yung mga aloe vera ko. Galing yan sa kabilang bahay. Ayan o. Nilagyan na rin namin ng solar light. Solar light yan pero bright siya. Ayan, may lemon. Yung pag-ganyan style na lemon para mag-cover siya. Ayan o. Diba? Oh, nakakatuwa. Yan, ganyan lang siya guys. Yan muna ang ating update. Hindi pa tapos. Tatanim ko dyan garlic and onions. And then sabi ko kay Oscar, kailangan putulin yung mga i-trim yung mga sanga ng puno na to. So, ayan guys. Yan ang update sa aming front yard.